Welcome back everyone. So here comes our main topic, that is arithmetic progression. Now till now you have learnt what is sequence, and you have also learnt what is the difference between sequence and series. You have also learnt about the general term of a sequence, how to find out terms out of summation, that we have learnt till now. Right now you have already understood various type of progressions such as arithmetic progression, geometric progression, harmonic progression, right? AP, GP and HP. I have already told you one basic example of AP. Now let's look at few more example. For example, there is this number and so on. Another let's say there is this number 1, 7 and then 13 and then 19 and then 25 and so on. Now let's have a look at one more number, that is 100, 200, 300, 400 and so on. So these all are a example of AP. You already, I am sure you have already observed what is going on here. This over here, if you are recognizing what is the particular term that is we keep on adding in between. If I want to go to -1 to -5, what I have to add is -4. Similarly over here also -4 and then this -4 and then this -4 and so on. Similarly if I talk about next, so this is +6, this is also +6, this is also +6 and this is also +6, right? Now what about here? This is +100, this is also +100, this is also +100. Now what about if I take few other examples such as one and then 1.5 and then 2.0 and then 2.5 and then 3.0 and then 3.5 and so on. Similarly, any example can be taken in which successive incrementation is being taking place. Here 0.5, 0.5, 0.5 is being incremented. So first of all, the difference between is always constant. First trait is the difference is always constant and is known as common difference. And is known as common difference. Now let's say in first case and is represented by D. Generally it is represented by D. So in first case the common difference in this case will be -4. In the second case the common difference will be +6. In the third case the common difference will be +100, and in the fourth case the common difference between the two terms would be 0.5. So let's say this A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 and so on up to AN, this is in AP. So what it means is that A2 minus A1, A3 minus A4, A4 minus A3 minus A2, A3 minus A2, and then A4 minus A3, and then A5 minus A4, all of these will be equal. This will be equal to what? An minus 1, which will be equals to common difference, that is D. I hope it is clear to you. So in any AP, there are mainly three things. Firstly, there is this first term which is important, and then there is this common difference which is also a very important thing. All you need to do is just to keep on adding this common difference to get another term, right? Now let's have a look at another angle. Now there is one thing that you can observe directly from here, that is, if you want to get the first term, let's say this is A, and if you want to get the second term, then all you need to do is just to add D over here. And then if you want to get the third term, so all you need to do is just add A plus 2D, right? If you want to get fourth term, so that would be A plus 3D. And that's how we can obtain different terms of AP, right? And that was all about the basic arithmetic progression, its definition. We will work on few problems and then we will move to next part. Thank you so much.